Hey everyone, my name is Hanan Sohan. I'm the creator of Yummy Cuisine et Pâtisserie, a YouTube channel dedicated to cooking and baking videos. Today I'm excited to be here to show you all how I make my cooking and baking videos with the Kinemaster app in a simple and easy way. First, open Kinemaster app. Once you're in Kinemaster app, tap the plus button and choose the aspect ratio. I choose 16:9 for YouTube videos. Now go to Media Browser, open your file and import the videos you want to edit. Once you import all your video parts, you can start editing. Start by trimming or splitting your videos, and for that, select the video you want to edit, tap the trim split button and select split. You can just reduce or trim the unwanted parts. Zoom in to make a full screen scene. Go to pan and zoom button, then zoom in the beginning of the video. Here we go. Now we have a close-up scene. Now add mirroring to the video. Select the clip you want and split it into two. Then tap the mirroring button and select mirroring. Et voila, now you can see me pouring the vanilla from the left side and the sugar from the right side. Now add some transitions by selecting this plus button in the middle of the videos and go to transitions. We have so many transitions, a large choice in the Kinemaster asset store. You have the choice here, but I'm going to use this light bath. I've already uploaded. Now I'm just going to select it and use it. I think light bath transition is soft and cool for food videos. Now add sticker. Go to stickers and choose the sticker you want. I'm going to add thank you sticker to thank my audience, but you have a large choice in Kinemaster store too. And here we go. I find it very cute. And now make the recipe presentation by adding some beautiful graphics to the image. For that, select the image from the beginning of your project, then choose the graphic you want. I love this graphic because I can change its color and I can change the fonts too. Now add your title, then change the font. Here we go. Now I'm adding the same transition here too. I'm just adding the light bath. I'm using the same transition for this project. Now write the recipe directions with text. Tap the text button and write your text. Change the text font. Then place the text wherever you want. You can change the text color or leave it like that, but I change the text color to black and the background color to white. Enable the background color and change it up. You can also adjust the opacity. Now select the text and add in animation. Continue with the same process. Once you finish editing, you can save the video. To save your video, tap the export button and adjust the settings. I'm choosing 1080p and 24 FPS because that's the frame I use to shoot my videos. Now choose the quality, then export your video. I hope you liked the video. Be sure to tap the subscribe button for more Kinemaster tips and tricks. You can see even more Kinemaster creations on Kinemaster Facebook page, Instagram, IGTV, and on community site too.